knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much, we feel too little.
And to let you know that this gathering is illegal and unlawful. You will not be given any permission to march anywhere. And you all would have committed no offense, which we will deal with.
Hold on. The police has spoken. Hold on. The police has spoken. Hold on. The police has spoken. They do not give us any permission and we don't need one. We do not need permission to walk from here to Garden House. We do not need permission from the government or the police to do what we're about to do. Follow me. Garden House.
Despite the police objection, the march continues. You heard it, the police said there's no permit granted for the march, but the leader said they're going to march onto Garden House despite the police stance. Our choice is at hand, and the police is now trying to stop the march, as you can see here. The police is at hand to prevent the march. But the leader insists. The leader here insists that the march continues. The leader is here.
No force! No force! No fraud! No force! No fraud! No force! No fraud!
Here. Protester and police continue. While that continues, the leader is still leading the march but up those streets despite the police warning. As a protester, well, actually there, by the police, you can see there, as a protester, a second protester, they put a block on the entrance to go to Garden House, and they held a protester there, you can see. A young lady, now in police custody, to be put in the police vehicle, you can see. Entrance. They've got entrance en route to Garden House. Really a standoff between the UCI and the police. The leader attempted to address the gathering, you can see there, but I told you, not going too close because of the COVID-19, not going too close. I'm keeping my distance. You can see there, protest is happening, and the UCI leader with the microphone there, you see the audience. So They're moving the barriers right now. Not sure exactly why.
Or any gathering. He is doing that. Well, okay.
We got our constitution and we must stand to right our own as a nation of people. This is how the United Nations will support us in achieving our real sovereignty. But once we remain as subjects of the Queen, once we remain as subjects of the Queen,
just arrested the UIC president. They've just arrested the UIC president, ladies and gentlemen. And all hell breaks loose. This is it. This is it. Yeah. You know what I'm going to do it, man.
Jamaica until them come in. You're under Babylon.
Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world. Decent world that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness.